Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to look at payout reports. With this tool, you can see a breakdown of how your payout was calculated. This is a very useful tool if you receive a payout and want to understand why you received the amount you got and what the Flipdish fees were, or which orders were included in that particular payout. You can look at payout details and see a list of orders included in that payout. Same goes for chargebacks, refunds, and other charges like Flipdish Managed Marketing. Please note that these reports are only visible to owners, managed owners, and finance managers. Okay, so first of all, you will need to log into the Flipdish portal by going to portal.flipdish.com. Then on the left-hand side of the screen, click on Finance and then on Payouts. At the top of the page, you will see some filters which will allow you to customize your search. You can filter by date range, account name, and also by payment status, such as pending, paid, failed, cancelled, and in transit. For this example, I'm going to choose the last 7 days in the date range and leave all the other filters set to all. As you can see below the date range filter, it will show you the inclusive dates, and below that it will show you the total amount paid and the number of payments that make up that amount, along with the total amount pending and how many payments make up the pending amount, all within the previously selected date range. Then below there's a section that shows all the payouts within the date range, starting with the most recent. As you can see, we display the date, the account name, the bank account the money will be transferred to, the status of the payout, and the total amount of that payout. If you would like to see exactly how that payout was calculated, you can click on the payout in question. You will then see an overview at the top of the page with the payout date, status, bank account, and amount. Further down the page, we have a payout summary, which allows you to see how the above amount was calculated. So we start with the total of your online sales, plus sales taxes if applicable, then add delivery charges for online sales, and then add tips for online sales. This gives you the total online revenue displayed here. So now let's look through some of the deductions to this amount, starting with revenue adjustments, like refunds on online sales and cash fees charged to the customer. Then we subtract the total amount of those two from our total. Then we move on to subtract the Flipdish fees from the total payout, starting with online sales fees, cash sales fees, and then refunded fees would actually be added back in, and then VAT would be deducted as well, but only for Irish-based customers. We then arrive at the total Flipdish fees and move on to chargebacks if there are any during that time period. So what we've done is added up all the sales, then subtracted any revenue adjustments, Flipdish fees and chargebacks, and our final step is to subtract the opening balance on the ledger, if applicable, and then add the closing balance that will give you the total payout, which should match the figure at the top of the page, give or take. You may be wondering why there's a closing balance at the end of the payout period. There are a few possible reasons for this. One possible reason is your last order or orders of the day were cash. You may owe us commission that will be taken from subsequent online orders. The second possibility is your last order or orders of the day were refunded or rejected. In this case, we'll take back the funds we are owed from the subsequent online orders. And the third possibility is towards the end of a day, if a manual transaction or charge is placed against you for a product or service like Flipdish Managed Marketing, we'll take back funds we are owed from subsequent online orders. And should you want more information on items like orders, chargebacks, refunds, and other charges, all you have to do is scroll down the page. We have an in-depth section that allows you to examine the orders and customers involved in the aforementioned items. Let's first look at the orders breakdown section, where you can see your total online sales, your cash sales, and your total sales, along with your online sales fees, your cash sales fees, and your total fees. Below this information, you will see you have the option to view any of the orders that make up this payout. You can simply click on the order to get more information on the order or the customer's details, or even process a refund. To return to the payout report, scroll back to the top of the page and click on the back arrow. We also have a refunds breakdown showing you the total of all your refunds and all the orders that involve the refunds. Again, just like with the orders above, you can click on the order and see the items and customer information. Next is a chargeback breakdown showing you how many chargebacks fell into this payout period and the total cost to your business. And again, the orders involved can be examined. Each of these sections will only be visible to you if there are activities related to them. For instance, in this example, we don't have an other charges section. This would only be visible if you've been charged by Flipdish for extra products like Flipdish Managed Marketing, as shown here. I hope you found this video useful and now have a better understanding of how to view and examine your payout reports. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.